nagbabalik mga kasambahay ang Doctors on TV. We're still talking about detoxification. Marami po tayong mga text messages this morning. Our first question from Rina Sebastian of Caloocan. Good morning, doctors. Marami po akong nababasang articles about the benefits of fruits and herbs infused water, katulad ng lemon and mint water. And they are claiming that is for detoxification. Effective po ba talaga ito?
As we mentioned, we detox every day. So infusing fruits in your water makes your water a little bit more enjoyable every day. Ayan. And of course, you get to eat the fruit afterwards. Yeah. So it's good. It's actually nice. Yes.
I like lemon water.
Yeah, lemon water.
Lemon water naman.
Strawberries. It's really nice.
Ayun.
Konektado sa next question.
Oo, ito naman
Mag-lemon pepper diet.
Galing naman ito kay Gina of Laguna. Hello po. Yung pinsan ko, madalas mag-lemon pepper diet para pumayat. Ano po maaaring maging epekto ito sa katawan, Doc? Let's talk about the good and the bad side.
Well, lemon kasi in Chinese medicine is sour and fragrant, so it helps moves the bowels.
Yeah.
And pepper speeds up the metabolism, pampainit ng katawan. I'm just concerned more of madalas. So is it something that he feels the need to do all the time? It's just there to help. Hindi siya it's not supposed to be a substitute for actually changing your diet.
Ayun.
So
Pero pampatulong siya.
Does not justify, just like the other detox, it does not justify actually eating these harmful toxins.
Magbubuffet ka tapos gaganyan.
Doesn't make sense. So from Sheena of Parañaque, effective po kaya ang fresh veggies and fruits juicing for my long-time problems sa migraine? Salamat po.
Kasi
Sige.
ako expert ako sa migraine kasi ako yung nagma-migraine.
Alright.
Fresh, not just why just juice? Take the whole thing. Okay. Also, by eating more fruits and vegetables, you're avoiding the usual triggers of migraine.
Alright.
Oo. Tsaka kung fresh siya at unprocessed, kasi yung nagkakos ng migraine, yun yung mga betchin, yun yung mga caffeine. So, if by eating more of this, you help your body with antioxidants and you avoid, that's how it works. And I
rather than
very
juicing,
much recommend.
you eat the whole fruit.
Well, I'm mostly for eating the fruit because the fiber.
Alright.
So hindi ka na nagma-migraine, Doc, these days?
Yes, but advertisement na lang nito. I had acupuncture in China in 2005. I was migraine-free for 8 years.
Yeah, that's good.
Si Doctor, you have experience with fruits for migraine or treatments for migraine?
Fruits for migraine, as katulad ngayon, by juicing, you avoid the common triggers for migraine. Some, the gluten, nuts, and
chocolate
these... Chocolate is good, but it's what's added to the chocolate that's not good, no? So, and what else? There are mga MSG, yung mga ganyan, those are the triggers. So that's why when you have an attack of migraine, ano na lang, take note what were you exposed to.
Alright.
So keep a log, gano'n na lang. But I've said, fruits and vegetables and juicing, it's good.
Would be good.
Okay.
Ito naman from Marlon of Rizal. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Maaari po bang tumangkad ang height kong 20 years old na? Sa katanong ko lang po kung anong mainam na gamot para tumaba. Naku, hindi problema to. Salamat po. Let's start with Doc Philip.
Para tumangkad, see, here's the problem Different people have different stages of growth spurts.
Yes.
Ako, nung high school ako, nung first year high school, nasa likod ako ng pila. Nung nag-graduate na ako, nasa gitna na ako. So I stopped growing at 16. So it's kinda, no matter what you do, wala na because the growth plates in your bones nag-fuse na. But there are some, they still grow like si Kevin Durant na nasa NBA na, tumangkad pa.
Okay.
Wait, was that Kevin Durant or Derek McKee pala? Pareho silang Seattle Sonics dati. So, he grew from 6'9" to 6'10". 20 plus na siya. So, it's hard to say sa genetics lang talaga.
Okay. So, Doctor, anong comment niyo? Or at least dun sa
20 years old,
pampataba?
I said it varies, no? But some 20, medyo mahirap na. Mahirap na.
Fuse na, no?
Fuse na oo.
If you really want to know kung fused, just x-ray your hand.
Yes.
Punta ka sa radiologist, have your hand x-ray para makita kung fused yung bone.
Yung next na question was,
How to gain
paano
weight?
daw tumaba? Hindi problema yata ito.
Well, how to gain weight? Gain weight in a healthy way. In a
I
healthy
think they
way.
mean muscle.
Yeah,
Muscle.
more muscle and
Sana
then
naman muscle.
don't do it. But the thing is, sabi nga ni Doc, no, I mean, it's genetical.
Okay.
There are some people who eat a lot but they don't gain. But there are some people na sabi nga nila, naku Doc, umamoy lang ako ng pagkain, feeling ko tumatawa na ako. Ganon.
Guilty.
So ganon. I said, ang ano ko lang is, as long as it doesn't matter kasi para sa'yo baka payat ka, baka isa iba naman. I mean, we're all different. But the thing is, if you, sabi nga ni Doc, for his build, now, he feels
Basketball.
light. Even if sa ibang tao baka sa tanging mataba siya. But for him, sabi niya, he's lost a lot of weight already. He feels lighter. And that's what's important, what you feel. No? Oo. You can't force yourself. Baka naman iba, they would eat, tawag
Starve
dito.
themselves
Yeah.
pa.
I mean, don't go to extremes.
Okay.
Speaking of which pala, this is the first New Year na may pasyente nagsabi, uy, pumayat ka pa konti, Doc. Like,
It's a good way to start a new year. No?
Yes, that's a good way.
Doc, siguro, thank you very much for a very, very interesting and productive morning. No? Any final words sa audience po? Siguro we start with you, Doc.
Very simple. As I always tell, health is a choice we make every day. No?
Okay.
Detoxification, our body detoxifies every day. No? So it's the choices that we make. And for me, the key is, I'm not perfect, but the key is moderation.
Alright.
Moderation lang. So mga iba, mag-buffet ka na lang ng tanghali, huwag naggabi. So dinner, soup ka na lang o salad, o kahit pa paano at least na balance. So, gano'n na lang. I mean, we have to enjoy, what's the point of dieting when you're going to be sad and depressed and
Very
lonely?
sad ka.
So, important is to be happy, enjoy your food.
So it's a balance of enjoyment and
Yes,
health.
in moderation, yes.
Si Doc naman po.
I'll finish by quoting a little bit from the Yellow Emperor's Medical Classic, or paraphrasing. Sabi niya, bakit ang tao nung araw nabubuhay ng matagal nang wala namang supplement or anything? Bakit ngayon 50 anyos pa lang, 40 anyos pa lang, baldado na? Because number one, we don't adapt our food to the weather. So ngayon, malamig, kain tayo ng mas maanghang. Pero pag mainit ang panahon, yun, yung mga detoxing foods na green mung beans. Second, make sure to dress properly kasi malamig ang panahon.
Alright.
And number 3, sleep at regular time. Eat at regular times para hindi kailangan ma-stress yung body mo to adapting to a new schedule.
Okay.
And lastly, one of the best ways to detox, getting rid of toxins, is to perspire through natural exercise.
Okay, so perspiration will also help.
Sabi nga kanina sa program, minsan nakakatamad bumangon dahil winter, just some walking, something, break out a sweat.
Okay, so thank you very much, Dr. Lady Ruvita
Thank
Gulao
you.
and Dr. Philip Tangatwe. Sana in the future we'll have you here again with us as guests.
Anytime.
Okay, maraming salamat sa ating mga guests this morning. Huwag muna kayong aalis mga kasambahay, magbabalik pa po ang Doctors on TV.